we kind of warmed up to this. Look at all the ice, and Pookie's all like, what the heck is this? Go potty! Go potty! She doesn't know what to do. She hasn't gone potty in snow before, or sleet, or whatever the heck this is, ice. She's so funny. Oh, there's all the stuff going on. Ooh, it's really cold. Look at the ice up there. Look at the ice up there. You can hear it falling still. I don't know if you can see it. A little ice in there. Oh, it just bounced off my hand. It's popcorn. Oh, it's still melting. But it's really cold. Oh, look at that grill. Oh, I should have put the cover on it. Oh, wow. Oh. You can't really see that. Oh, you kind of can't. I don't want to go outside. But that's a rose bush. Look at all the ice on there. Woo. Yeah, I brought some wood in the center room. That way we won't freeze. Because all that wood is covered with ice now. Whew, so, yeah, that's about it. I'm not going to step there because I'll slip. Look at all that, though. It's a lot.